In the year 2000, an 18-year-old named Zebb Quinn disappeared without a trace. He was last seen after finishing a late shift at work, doing nothing unusual. Then, Zebb received a strange message on his pager and suddenly changed his plans. He told his friend to wait, but Zebb never came back. Days passed, then weeks, and Zebb Quinn was never seen again. 2 weeks later, his car was found abandoned, still running, with no sign of Zebb. Inside were disturbing clues, a puppy, strange objects, and a message no one could explain. For years, the case went cold, with no body and no answers. More than 20 years later, the last person to see Zebb alive finally confessed. Zebb Quinn was declared a murder victim, but his body was never found, and the truth remains incomplete.